Picture this. You're new to Kubernetes, but you want to run the latest AI model in production. Or you are already a seasoned expert working with Kubernetes every day, but you would love to know more about Carpenter, Istio, custom resource definition, Prometheus, and Grafana. In this book, Greg and I included all our knowledge about managing a Kubernetes cluster in production and how to leverage the latest technologies, for example, Service Mesh. This book is up to date and available worldwide as today in the best shop and Amazon. Big companies like LinkedIn, CERN, Apple, Google, Microsoft use Kubernetes with some special source in order to deliver wonderful products and services worldwide. And the best part that they can do rolling update, they can do everything, the traffic can follow the demand, so the resource allocation follow this, and the best part, they can train the AI model of tomorrow, delivering wonderful user experience. Greg and I decided to write this book because we want a cookbook, a guide that everybody can use in a day-to-day journey to success in the Kubernetes experience. We start from the basic. We start from the installation, from the how to create a namespace, but things are getting more spicy when we move to network because we decided to move to Istio, Cert Manager, and integrate together in a software-defined network definition. There's a lot of mention, a lot of technicality around the best practices and some diagram that you can use to architect your network, how to use sidecar, to have observability, how you can observability is a big topic because you would love to know more about the bottleneck, about your infrastructure and application, and you can leverage OpenTelemetry and combine together with Prometheus and Grafana to have a wonderful insight directly from your cluster. But there is more. We wanted to be future-proof and go a little bit above, leveraging the MLOps workflow and AI ops of tomorrow, as well including prompt engineering and vibe engineering as well. But also green ops with Kepler, the wonderful technology that allows you to understand the power consumption of your cluster. What I really think that this book is special is that it's already included the Knative and Kubeflow that allow you to run AI workflow in your cluster. In this way, you can allocate CPU, memory, and GPUs to the right node in order to have the best resources in your cluster. So I can't wait to hear your feedback, and this book is available, as I said, worldwide today in all the best bookshop. See you inside. I can't wait to hear about this book and maybe have a wonderful time together. Bye.